Today, we're going to create trending AI videos in just 2 minutes. But first, take a look at this YouTube channel. You'll be amazed. This channel has uploaded only 23 videos, yet it already has 20K plus subscribers. As you can see, the videos are high quality and the views are impressive too. One video has 254K views, another has 218K views, and almost every video has hundreds of thousands of views. The good news is that you can create the same type of videos easily. The best part? You can do it completely for free. In just 2 minutes, I'll show you how to create AI images, AI videos, and AI voiceovers, all without spending any money. If you're wondering whether this channel is monetized, the answer is yes. Just search for the channel on Social Blade and you'll find it there. According to Social Blade, its estimated monthly earnings range from $755 to $12,000. So, let's get started and learn how to create these trending AI videos in just 2 minutes. First, open ChatGPT. Once it's open, copy the prompt I'll provide and paste it into ChatGPT. As soon as you paste it, ChatGPT will analyze everything. After that, simply type, "Now give me 150 story and 7-8 image prompts and video prompts." ChatGPT will instantly generate the full story along with 7-8 scene descriptions, image prompts, and video prompts. As you can see, everything is ready in just a few seconds. This whole process takes only about 2 minutes. Next, open Leonardo AI. Click Start Now, then go to Image. Select the Phoenix 1.0 model and make sure the aspect ratio is set to 9:16. Remember these settings. After that, copy the first image prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Leonardo AI. Your first image will be generated in high quality. Repeat the same process for the remaining prompts, and all your images will be ready. Now it's time to create the videos. The tool I'll be using is PovVid, which is excellent for creating 3D animated videos. Log into your account and you'll see that you receive 200 credits. Each video uses 10 credits, so you can generate around 20 short videos per day, which is more than enough for creating shorts. If you ever run out of credits, you can simply use another email address to get more free credits. Click Create, choose Video, upload your first image, and paste the corresponding video prompt. After a short wait, the video generation will begin. As you can see, the first video is ready and the result looks amazing. You can download it easily. Repeat the same images and videos are ready, but how do you generate an AI voice for free? For that, use unlimitedai.tools. If you can't find the website, just leave a comment and I'll share the link with you. Paste your script into the tool, select the Blaze voice, choose the storytelling style, and click Generate Voice. You can play the audio to hear the quality, it's excellent. And that's it. Everything is now ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel.